An arbitrary of acceleration versus time graph, the velocity versus time graph, and the position versus time graph. Take note of those because ilan siya gagawin. So una, we have the acceleration versus time graph. This is acceleration versus time graph. Take note, when the acceleration is but a straight line, ibig sabihin that the acceleration is constant. Constant ang yung acceleration. Pero pag nari, this is velocity versus time graph. Pag velocity versus time graph, ibig sabihin your velocity is increasing. Your object is speeding from 0 meter per second to 30 meter per second. And our position versus time, the curve, ibig sabihin the person already changed its position while nag-increase ang iyahang velocity or nagkalayo siya sa iyahang origin. Example, can you erase the board? Ayan.
Go, Alain. Mapilay ka sa video, Alain.
So first example, as you can see, it's a line downward, right? No? Downward ang line, ang isa kay pasaka, no?
Bro.
Ang kanang broken line dira, who's familiar with this one? Example. Isa familiar with example.
Kami na siya.
Ang
Slope.
ikaduha kay that is pasaka, no?
Okay,
So, ang kanang broken line dira, that will serve as our change in or a sudden change. We have broken line
Asymptotes.
where the broken line goes. Sige, we have here man, pa-downward man siya. Pag once pa-downward, slope ang tawagan niya, mga slope na sila, mga baptist na mga slope na. So kani siya, ang slope na to diri is downward man, ibig sabihin that is negative. On the negative side, negative quadrant sa ubos, this is negative and this one is positive, no? Downward ba itong slope? So ibig sabihin, nakalocate siya sa negative. Karon kay straight line man na siya. Pag one straight line, ibig sabihin, kaniha kada ko i-construct diri kay this is velocity versus time graph.
Versus zombies.
Ang sa babaw kay position versus time. Kani kay velocity versus time graph. Ang sunod po kay si acceleration versus time graph.
Lubugo.
Sige. Going back to velocity versus time, as you can see here, our position is straight siya ang slope niya downward. So kung pa-downward, it is located at the negative quadrant. Since straight man siya, if straight, nagpasabot nga inyong velocity is, it's constant inyong velocity. So kung constant ang velocity, pa-straight line lang na siya. No, straight line. Constant man ang velocity. Meaning, the object is not speeding up or slowing down. Next is, kanang broken line dira, that is a sudden change of the velocity or position of a given object. So karon, ang next is, pasaka na po siya, no? Ang another slope is pasaka. Ang next slope, pasaka. So kay pasaka man siya, but still a straight line. Pagpasaka niya yung slope, meaning it's positive. And positive siya kay pasaka man. But if you're going to graph that one in velocity versus time graph, ang velocity na to dira is
Negative.
Constant in the positive axis. Constant magyapon siya. Straight line. Kay straight man na siya o straight man na siya. Straight man. Meaning, ha?
Lagi po siya sudden na change.
Oh, karing-karing kay abrupt or sudden change niya, which is here na kita sa babaw ang usa.
Pero mo kaya kung sa'yo, constant na pinagkakot.
Constant na siya gihapon kay straight line mas na pareho. Okay? Ano mo? No? Constant siya because that is straight line. Our slope is a straight line. Ang una ay straight line from a downward that is located at the negative quadrant kaya pa-downward man siya. But if pasaka siya, meaning it's a positive, so dito siya sa babaw si positive. Pero when you are going to a graph in velocity versus time graph, since kay straight man na itong slope, pag straight siya, meaning our velocity is constant. Wala siya nag-change. Meaning the object is not speeding up or slowing down. Okay? Same sa duha. Karon, kay since our velocity is constant in a particular time, our acceleration also is graph ang acceleration ng to ano eh? It's 0. Constant man siya. So, ibig sabihin, our acceleration here is 0. And constant man itong velocity. Okay? Question before you proceed. Question before you proceed.
Pero sir,
Okay na? Sige, next. Guys, bababa kay velocity versus time graph. We have next graphing. Example. Ano siyang katawa? Ay, katawa.
Ito nga sa taas. Lahat ba nga sa taas?
Kani, sa kan example.
slope,
Kani una kay,
constant,
this is,
Changing position.
sa man siya.
Changing position.
Kani first yari.
constant, sir.
Sana, that is,
Displacement.
meaning the object is
Changing position.
at rest. 0. Tanaw, katulit pa na nila, straight pa na siya. So meaning our velocity is 0 because the object is at rest.
Kasi lang sa because
Pag start niya of curve, pagpasaka, ibig sabihin, from the object is from at rest, naghinahinay siya og dagan hangtod sa nagkakusog. Meaning the velocity is increasing
so kung
in the positive axis.
pero na may time sir, so
Sama.
hindi siya mo indicate ang movement sir kung straight lang ang line.
Pag straight lang ng line, ibig sabihin, in that particular time, the object is at rest. But if mag-start na siya og curve, kay na-curve dire, na siya tangent dire, kay curve diari, ibig sabihin, the velocity already starts changing. While it is pataas man siya, ibig sabihin, your velocity is increasing, speeding up, pataas na siya. So meaning, nagkakusog ang dagan sa inyong sakyanan. Compare ani, straight line man yung slope, ibig sabihin, your velocity is constant, not decreasing or increasing. And your acceleration diyan, your acceleration is una, kaya of course, at rest man siya, 0 ang inyong acceleration. And after, kay increasing man ang inyong velocity, inyong pong acceleration will be sa upper part pero na sa positive quadrant. Because when the velocity is positive and your acceleration is also positive, meaning the object is speeding. But if your object velocity is positive and your acceleration is negative, meaning it is decreasing or going at rest. But if it's negative and negative, ibig sabihin it's speeding, and if negative and positive, ibig sabihin it's decreasing.
That's all same sign.
Pag same sign, that is increasing. But if opposite sign, that is decreasing. Question?
none, sir.
None so far? Okay na mo.
Yes, sir.
Sige. Next. Next we have third example. Velocity gap po niya versus time graph. Ang sa ubos kasi acceleration versus time graph. Visible na din ang area. Patama sa advance, ilabay sa Pero kung musawa ang mercy. Ala, irog na lang ta, kanina kita. Babaw na lang.
Yes, sir.
Ganyan lang tapikas. Take note, this is velocity versus time graph, and this one is acceleration versus time graph. Okay? Ina Sige, we have next one. Look at the slope. It's going downward, but it's curved. Meaning there is a sudden change of velocity or the position. Pag sudden curve, pa-downward siya, but curve, and it's getting saman. The object is getting at rest. Kay downward pa na siya, so mag-graph tag gikan sa negative. And since it is continuously and becoming at rest, diri na ibutang sa babaw ang isa. So we have the velocity versus time graph is inana kung kapay.
Oh.
Okay? Kaya this is from the negative, downward pa na siya. This is downward slope. Pag downward yung slope, ibig sabihin, it starts from the negative. And take note, we have a sudden curve, meaning the object is getting at rest. No? So we have from negative, nahimo siyang 0. For example, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and 0. O karon, kay since our object is getting at rest, our acceleration versus time graph, out the graph. Asa man dapit? Sa? Always remember that if opposite sign, meaning it is decreasing, our acceleration will be at the positive side. Meaning, if your object is moving left, so the acceleration also is moving right. So ibig sabihin, they're against to each other. Ang object ani kay nagtagbo sa acceleration, that is why the object is becoming at rest. No? It is becoming at rest. But not necessarily, tungod na acceleration, nahimo siya at rest. But the concept ani is just the object is ning punong. Naglarga siya hantod sa ning punong. Because look at that slope, it's from the negative going to 0. Downward man itong slope. Pag downward gani, ibig sabihin it's negative. Downward gani. Downward. That's in the negative. But it becoming at rest man. So 0 man itong tunga diri, ibig sabihin, siya diri. No? So tunga sa 0. Question. Wala na? Okay. Samtan. Next example. We have for the fourth example. Sige. Always remember that in the concept of projectile motion, in a parabola, if the object reaches its maximum height, the object will become at rest. 0. No? Mahimo siyang 0. Kaya pa mag-itsa kong bola ba? Patulpong mo sa bola or paglabay mo sa bola, ang bola ay nag-reach niya maximum height, kaya mukunat siya pa downward. Kanang moment din ha, that is what we call, the more siya consider nato, ang object is already at rest before na siya go downward. Ngano mo rest man siya sa babaw? Because if the object is thrown upward, the object will gain potential energy and loses its kinetic energy. But when the ball goes downward on this next axis, we have the object now gains kinetic energy and loses its kinetic energy. No? Because dire, it gains potential energy and because it is positively decreasing. 3, 2, and 1, 0. But if pag downward siya, ibig sabihin pag downward, the same direction sila ni gravity. Gravity pulls the object downward, mo nang uhulog siya. Since it's negative man, so ibig sabihin it will increase negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Diba? That is why this is increasingly negative because the ball is downward and the direction of the gravity also is downward. That is why speeding up siya but negative. That is why the object gains kinetic energy and loses its potential energy. When you're napita, since kay palupad pa ng bola pataas, ibig sabihin, the direction of the ball is going against the direction of your gravity. That is why the ball is gaining potential energy and loses its kinetic energy. That is why pag sa babaw, mahimo siyang at rest before siya mo na paubos. Ha? So take note, kani, saan naman niron? Pero babaw pa siya pataas, that is curve. Ibig sabihin, the velocity starts in the positive. Not there is positive. Since it is man, the change of position becomes at rest. Ibig sabihin, your velocity is going at rest also. No? Becoming at rest. So now, our acceleration, since this is positive, of course, our acceleration is negative. Because, kung tanaw to slope sa velocity din karon, this is downward. Ibig sabihin, your acceleration will be on the negative part. So, kahit positive pa si velocity, and the acceleration is a negative, meaning it is decreasing. That is why yung concept here is the object is becoming at rest. Okay? Okay. Question? Question? Before we end. So on Monday, kung saan ang oras naman ko ang kuwan, o bilis na buwan ng langit.